don't know if you got a good look at that one, but that's...
Pooping animals.
We'll get to that. We'll get to that later. Welcome to an early Christmas video here. We have some things that we got from some YouTuber friends and also some things that are just stuff that we really don't want to wait for Christmas to open up.
Yeah.
And we thought that we would share them with you guys and do some early Christmas because, surprise, we are actually going to be in Australia for Christmas this year. Melbourne is how they like to say it, supposedly.
Actually?
Some people told me that
Melbourne?
you're supposed to say Melbourne, but we say Melbourne or Melbourne. But we're just gonna go there. We're not taking our Christmas stuff with us. We'll probably do another Christmas video at some point, but there's just some things that you might be looking at that we just
Tesla
can't
Roadster.
wait
And
to
all this-
unbox. Come on,
Yeah.
what? Some of this stuff we really want to open. So we're gonna do that. Surprise! Okay, so first, let's move some of this stuff away. Present number one came from our good friend Zach.
Let's get
Jerry
started.
Rig Everything and Cambry. Thank you for the Christmas
Yeah,
present.
thank you. I'm really curious what this is.
Oh, hey.
Whoa.
D-Brand?
D-Brand?
Did we get something from D-Brand?
What?
What is this?
D-Brand.
Bulletproof banana skin.
That's cool.
Okay, so we've had this sitting here for a while. We've been waiting for Christmas to open it. Perfect. Thank you for the bulletproof banana. Whoa. Are you liking what you're seeing here?
What? That is awesome. There's two. Wait, what? What? Oh,
What is that? I can't see it.
It's Falcon Heavy.
Falcon Heavy?
I want these all in my room.
That is cool. I saw that launch to space one time.
Here it is. Scale reference.
Oh, it shows it on there. There's a car, but that's not this car.
That's a Model S. No,
It's a Model 3. Know your Teslas, Lincoln.
Sorry.
This is the original Tesla Roadster with Spaceman that's in space right now,
Yeah.
orbiting the sun.
These are all going inside my new room.
It's metal, or our
There's- yeah.
studio.
There's no question.
Zach, this is
This
amazing.
is so cool.
Thank you so much. Well, why do we have two? What else is it?
Yeah.
We already got two things. Did he mean to give us two? Oh! Merry Christmas
Look
to
at
me!
that roadster. That's
Look at that.
beautiful. That is so.
Oh man, once we take
That
this
is
off of it too,
amazing.
it's gonna look so good.
You guys are so nice. Look at that.
You know the way to my heart. I want one of these in my garage for next Christmas, like a real one.
Yeah.
Somebody tweeted at me the Cyber Roadster, like a Cyber Tesla car, and they took the truck and made it look like a car. It's pretty cool. It might even be cooler looking than this.
Really?
Yeah.
I like how they broke the glass on that too.
Well, I mean, the
That's
glass
even
doesn't
better.
need to be broken.
That's even better.
That was present number one for Christmas. Merry Christmas
And
to
it was
us.
like 3 presents that were all amazing.
Very good. Very
I
good
want these
presents.
all in my new in the room. In my room.
I know you want these all in your room, but
Yeah.
I think he really was giving them mostly to me.
Really?
We'll clarify.
Yeah.
Let's call him right now.
Okay.
What's up, Dan?
Hey, what's up?
Dan, what happened to you?
We're both here. We're filming our Christmas video right now, and you're on camera right now, so careful what you say. We just opened up your Christmas present to
The
us.
roadsters, they are so awesome.
The Roadster paintings.
It's so cool, yeah.
What was the question? We had a question.
Oh yeah, the question was, who is the present primarily for? Like, if it was for me, I'd like go put him up in my
Lincoln
room.
wants to put them all in his room.
Yeah.
All 3 of the pictures. So we thought we'd clarify with you.
So I had Dan in mind.
Yes.
But I'm sure you guys can, work it out between yourselves.
We'll work something out.
Wrestle, competition.
Sorry, Lincoln. You just have to get some cool friends like Zach.
It would, yeah.
Let us know what you guys think.
Right?
Should it be for
yeah.
Lincoln? We have lots of cool things here. The next one. We put this in the pile today. This is an adult coloring book called Pooping Animals. A funny coloring book for adults. See, there's a dog, and it's pooping, so you would color
Rainbows
the dog.
too. It's pooping rainbows.
That's funny.
Yeah.
Let's just look for an example what it would be. Do dinosaurs poop?
Yeah.
That's another dinosaur. I thought they were dogs. Hey, a duck. Oh, it's pooping. That one really is pooping. We specifically bought this as a gift that we're giving for Christmas to our friends, Justine and Jenna, their sisters. On Instagram and Twitter, it seems like they have this really cool dog.
Yeah, really cool dog.
What's the dog's name?
Matt. Matt.
DJ Mini Matt. And what did they like to do on Instagram?
They really like taking pictures of the dog while Matt's pooping. How would you feel if people were taking pictures of you and posting them on Instagram while you were pooping?
I wouldn't feel good.
Yeah.
I would not feel good about that. So the dog maybe likes it, we don't know, but
Yeah.
we clearly know that Jenna and Justine do like it. And so we thought, let's give them this. So we're gonna send this to them. You can let them know if you want to on Twitter or something that we're sending them a
Pooping
coloring book.
coloring book.
So we didn't really get it, but the rest of them they're for us. So pooping book.
Pooping book. Number 2.
Number 2. That's good. Before we get to a couple of the other ones that are pretty awesome too. This is one that maybe you would not fully expect. You probably expected the pooping book. This
Yeah, definitely.
is by Brookstone. This is a mixeur des sons des sommeil, or in English, sleep sound mixer. Did I say that right, Leslie?
No. Mixeur de son de sommeil.
So you sound like Siri.
In our household, every day of Lincoln's life, we've always had sleep machines inside of our houses,
Like,
in
you
every
know,
room.
even when I'm like sleeping on a plane, it's like white noise going on in the background.
Airplane noise.
I usually put headphones on and I listen to my own white noise.
Problem is, they have the ones that we have right now have little holes inside of them. Somebody in the house, I'm not gonna point fingers at anybody. It could be Lincoln, I'm not gonna point fingers. But somebody's been taking little girl bobby pins.
I mean,
and
it could
sticking
start
them in the holes.
It could start with an L.
Then when it spins around, it sometimes rattles. We've been dealing with it, and finally we're just like, you know what? We reached out to Brookstone and they said, we will sponsor a video and we will give you a free Brookstone sleep sound mixer. So let me tell you about the sleep sound mixer. Usually it's $99.99, but right now it is $63.99. Create a customized blend of 8 nature and relaxation sounds plus 7 available nightlight colors to create the ultimate environment. A calming way to drift off or simply relax and unwind.
And there's colors at the bottom of it.
For us, we will be going strong with the fan, but for you, you might like listening to some soothing flute and a mixture of morning birds. Well, you can mix that with the different things and have 7 different colors that are going on with this sleep mixer.
That's really cool.
That is one of the fanciest sleep machines. You don't even have to have it plugged in all the time. When it's full, it has 240 minutes of charge, and you can charge it fully within just 4 hours. So keep it plugged in or don't even plug it in. This is a great gift for the holiday season for somebody that really values their sleep and wants to sleep better with some sleep noise. And you can buy it at Bed Bath & Beyond. It is available, and we got this one. Thank you, Brookstone, for sponsoring this video. We will use it every single night to sleep soundly. Maybe even take it to Australia with us.
Probably. Take it everywhere.
The next one, we have 2 more presents. These are 2 presents. One of them's from a YouTuber, one of them's also from a YouTuber. This is from a YouTuber called me.
Yeah.
To a YouTuber called Lincoln. If you look at the custom Nike packaging and you look on the back, it says this word on it. Netflix.
Official merchandise.
Why would it say Netflix on a shoebox, you might ask? Well,
This is a pair of shoes that I've been wanting for a very long time. I was going to buy them, and my dad was like,
No, this is gonna be better Christmas present.
so he bought them and hid them inside my sister's room, and I haven't seen them for a month and a half, and I am very excited to see them.
he's been hiding them since 1985. These are Stranger Things collaboration with Nike. Lincoln,
Yes!
you've been waiting forever.
Whoa!
Go for it. Okay, Lincoln's not seen Stranger Things. This wrapping, this is the
from the mall.
Starcourt.
Yeah.
Starcourt Mall. It's the blueprint of the mall. Are you serious, Nike?
Oh. Yes! Look at them! Those are amazing!
These are straight out of the 80s, back when I was 5 years old. But the cool thing about these shoes is that they are great for what's inside.
Oh yes, the pins, those are so cool.
Look at those fancy pins. So Lincoln, what is so special about these shoes? You guys, I'm serious.
Okay.
This is interesting.
Most people who watch Stranger Things, I didn't even know this, but apparently like the upside down is the world where everyone gets like eaten or something.
Sure.
And it's like bad to have fire there. Like it kills the upside down. This is me like trying to explain it without watching Stranger Things. With this shoe, if you like light it on fire, which sounds messed up, it like scratches off. Let's see if I can get some of my fingernail.
I'll grab some fire. It's like denim. I burned through the denim.
Oh my gosh.
This is a
no.
strong torch. Well, here's your new shoes, son. Let me burn them for you.
Here, can I see it?
This feels so wrong. It smells like you just burned the monsters.
Yes.
I think you should just not burn them anymore. Wear them to school like this.
No, I just want to burn this Nike outside Nike logo and the back. Is this dead?
Leslie's very concerned behind us.
Stop. Just stop.
It's on fire. The N is bubbling. Don't blow it yet. Oh.
It's supposed to say Stranger Things.
Cool shoes, Lincoln.
It says Stranger Things. Woo! You burned through it!
I see the foam bit through it. I think we should use an angle grinder on,
Razor blade.
no, a Dremel on this one.
No razor blade.
Stay tuned for an update on these shoes. These are cool shoes, congratulations!
They're really cool.
That same feeling I have inside of me right now is the same feeling I had when Elon Musk broke the glass with the metal balls. Do you feel that same feeling?
Yeah, at least the pins are cool. You like light it on fire.
Stop.
This feels so wrong.
Oh my God.
This is a strong torch.
You burned through it!
The last one.
Is really cool.
A little air went out of the building, but we're not going to let that affect us. We're getting back to the excitement level of Christmas.
It's not that bad.
Let's just forget about the shoes for now.
It's actually not.
Let's just...
It's not that bad.
We burnt shoes. We burnt
fine.
a hole through it. This is a Tesla Roadster.
That says that it's actually 1/18th size diecast.
This is very difficult to get. This is directly from Tesla. No, they did not send it to me. My friend Ben from Teslanomics, I was at the Ford e-tron, is that what they call it? Mach-E. That's right, Mach-E. And he said, hey, I got a present for you. Thank you for all the help you've given me with my YouTube channel. Here's this. Which is crazy because I had just seen a tweet earlier in the day that they sold out in these, and I think in one day, and people were selling these for up to $1,000 on eBay. I've never seen one of these in person, so... Oh, it comes in the box. Okay, here we go.
Oh, yes.
It says Roadster inside of this right there. Oh, it has a really good weight to it. Really, it feels like really high quality. Lincoln, this is the closest you've been to the Roadster. This is beautiful. Right away. The door is open.
Even says Roadster like
It
on
drives.
the side. It's got the screen with some navigation on it.
This cool steering wheel, which I would love to see if they actually bring that to full production, but oh, the color does look good. Let's just take a minute to admire it.
How do we pump the trunk?
After the fire thing, I think we're okay just having the trunk closed.
Okay, let's take this out then.
No, let's just leave it in there. It looks great. This will go maybe in Lincoln's room.
You should put that one in the studio and then actually get all the paintings.
That is a beautiful car. That hopefully 2020 we will actually get one of these amazing cars for free because of the referrals. I think right now we are number 7 in the world, 207 in the US, 241 referrals. So guys, thank you for using our code. I can't believe 241
oh
of
my
you
gosh,
have bought
the
Teslas.
steering wheel, if you turn the steering wheel, the wheels turn.
I gotta be honest, this does get me excited for the actual Roadster. Like, it makes it feel more real that it's coming.
Yeah.
And it's strange that Elon keeps driving the Cybertruck around but doesn't drive the Roadster around. Like, let's get this going.
He drives a Cybertruck around?
He drove it around this weekend. So there's a few of our Christmas presents.
Yeah.
We opened them up early.
This was kind of not the best because I didn't know that we weren't supposed to use the lighter.
You
but
can
this
use the
does look
lighter.
good.
But the painting, thank you, Zach.
Yeah, thank you
Ben,
so
for
much.
this. Justine, your present's in the mail. And Brookstone, thank you for sponsoring this video and hooking us up with a sleep sound mixer. And if you would like to get one of these, you can go to Bed Bath & Beyond. We'll put a link in the description for some more information about this. And Merry Christmas to you. We will be down under in Melbourne.
Melbourne.
I don't know. Let us know how we're
Is there
supposed to say
an ocean
it.
there? This is really cool. This is really cool. That's really cool. That's really cool.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Goodbye.
Happy holidays.
Happy holiday. Yeah, thank you, Leslie. Wait, how do you say it in French, though? Siri, how do we say happy holidays in French?
Joyeux Noël.
Thank you. Okay, not like that, but okay.
Is Melbourne like an ocean place?
It is on
Yes,
the coast.
okay.
Got it.
Yeah, that's what I meant. Well, dang it.
Dang it, I burned my shoes, Mom.